Today is harvest day. We are harvesting some collards. Cutting what?
Tranchuta kale.
Tranchuta kale. And we have Dave over here balancing the peas. He's okay, he's okay. Lots and lots of great. Jen's over here working on the peas. We're all giving peas a chance. And we have Nick over here getting some dino kale. Lots of fresh things in the garden. Our feature crop today is going to be Shiso, the Perilla family. It actually came back on its own. Look at it, it's gorgeous, it's everywhere. And that red Shiso is great. It has flavonoids in it. A great anti-inflammatory plant, antibacterial, vitamin C, vitamin K, and today we have solar cookies for our volunteers. Yum, let's see.
Yummy! Scrumptious!
Yep.
These are good.
Thank you, son. Gonna do an assembly line. We just have 4 boxes today. All of these flowers are edible. With the peas, we have nasturtium, spatula button, and the other part.
Enjoy this. Oh, hi!